Hi ho, it's off to poo I go. I hate pooing in the bush, I really do. I hate anything where I have to squat and there are flies and there are bugs and there are twigs and I'm such a store-bought princess when it comes to this kind of thing. But Andrew solved it all.
I'm Andrew St Pierre White. Join me as I share my passion for building four-wheel drive trucks and travelling to the remotest parts of the world.
It's my hero.
No, I did not solve it all. We could have had pelichemical toilets for decades. I just loathe them and hate them, and this is the solution.
I suffered for nothing.
This is the solution that I really like.
So because we've already been here for a night, the clean waste is already up and out and been doing its job, and we're going to show you now how it works. I'm not going to show you how it actually works, but this is how it works. First thing, you no longer need a spade. It comes with a net, and you hook the net over the little rough bits like so. So you poke the bag over like so. Wind. There you go. Good to go. Before you do that, you put in a capful, a scoopful of the chemicals. And what this does, it's pretty cool actually. It just takes everything and turns it into jelly. And there's no smell, there are no leaks, there's nothing. There's just a pile of jelly. And then you're done. And we've then got...
How do we dispose of it?
No, we haven't finished yet because you can't get up at this point, otherwise you're in trouble. You still need some other things. So, biodegradable bog roll. Okay, that's, I think Andrew's already showed you who gives a crap. The trees send you thank you letters every time you use it. Or, my personal favourite, they say they flush, but they don't. The councils hate them. However, you're now ready to bag up your jelly. So, doesn't smell, doesn't leak. You literally just take it, well, it would have some weight, and tighten a knot, stick it in your rubbish, and drop it off at the next town. So you've left nothing behind, literally. And it's equally effective when you need a pee. So this is one of the first things I pull out of the back of the truck when we arrive at a campsite. Set it up and then it's action. Once you've got it all bagged up, before you head off to the camp to go and toss it in the trash, we keep some of this in our toiletries bag. One bottle, so many uses. And the perfect use is you can just clean your hands up and done.
What is it?
Rubbing alcohol antiseptic. Helps prevent pimples and acne as well. So you clean your hands with it, you don't get pimples and acne. This is, I'm told, one of Andrew's very favourite screwdrivers. And he has donated it to the bag.
There are a few shortcomings with the Cleanwaste Portable Toilet, and Gwyn will point them out now.
The first thing is your legs get very caked. So you need to get in there with a screwdriver and a brush to get them cleaned up. That's the first thing. The second thing is when you actually want to disassemble it.
The small plastic clips holding the legs open are difficult to retract without graunching your fingers, hence the need of a screwdriver.
On this side, we get a bit of mechanical help. There you go. And this one is even more of a pain because there are two of them. So you put it back together and then so stick that in there. There you go.
It's called Cleanwaste. I understand that it's used by the US military, it's made in the United States, and to me it's the perfect solution because I don't have the chore of emptying messy chemical toilets. Each individual person that uses it is responsible for their own waste. Why should one person handle everybody's waste? That's not fair. And it's incredibly light. I don't have to carry chemicals apart from just a couple of packets of powder, and it's quick and easy, and apart from a few of the design shortcomings, it's damn near perfect.